Hi folks, I hope that you guys are doing pretty well. So today's Wednesday, the 9th of August, 2023, and in today's video, I wanted to give you further evidence as to how the Third Temple is going to be rebuilt in Israel according to the Third Temple authorities, okay? And then also we're gonna compare what the rabbi is saying with the Bible prophecies regarding the Third Temple, okay? Now, first up, this is a video from a YouTuber. She's the owner of the YouTube channel, okay? And her channel is called Gaston and Oksana in Israel, okay? And it's asking a question here. It's in Spanish. It's asking, has the reconstruction of the Third Temple began in Jerusalem, okay? Now, in order to get the Spanish translation into English from this video, I highly recommend that you go into your Google Translate app, okay? And then in the settings, put in from Spanish into English, and you will be able to get the translation. Now, I also highly encourage that you watch this video because the rabbi here, who is from the Third Temple authorities, is showing the lady here, everything that they have that is already ready to go in order to rebuild the Third Temple, or the things that they are going to be using for the Third Temple and so on, okay? So this is a really fascinating video, and you're gonna learn a lot from it. Okay, so what we have in this photo, if you like, of this video, I'll put it on stop so I can show you, is that the lady here is asking the rabbi, how is the Third Temple gonna come about, or how is it going to be rebuilt? Okay, so this is actually inside the Third Temple, the Third Temple authorities museum, if you like, and the rabbi is telling the lady here that the Dome of the Rock is actually here, right? And so the Dome of the Rock will have to be demolished, okay, to make room for the Third Temple. And obviously, this structure that you got here forms part of the Third Temple. And right here, you got the Al-Aqsa Mosque. And as you can see, that also has to come down in order to rebuild the Third Temple, okay? Now, I say that this is evidence, and very genuine evidence, because the Third Temple authorities pretty much have everything ready to go, and the fact that they got a painting here or paintings here showing you how the future of the Third Temple is gonna come about, and this is serious. They wouldn't be showing paintings, okay, like these two, showing you how the future of the Third Temple is going to be if they weren't serious, okay? So the fact that it's got these paintings already on display is evidence that, it's serious evidence, if you like, of how the Third Temple is going to look like, okay? So this is very important evidence, folks. As you can see, they also got like a tram line happening. They also have access for people who are disabled. And they also have a cable car on one of the paintings here, okay? But have a look at the video for yourself. This is the heading of it. And you will be able to see the whole thing. It really is an amazing video. But the important thing to note is how these two paintings are evidence of the future Third Temple. And how is the Third Temple going to be modeled on? Okay, so they're going to rebuild it according to the prophecies of Ezekiel chapter 40 to 48. Okay, now what does the Bible say about the Third Temple? Okay, so there are two main prophecies. Now, the first one is in Isaiah. Okay, so go to Isaiah chapter 2 and read verse 2 and 3. Okay, and it shall come to pass in the last days. Last days means during the church age, okay? That the mountain of the Lord's house, in other words, the Third Temple, shall be established in the top of the mountains, okay? Meaning on Temple Mount, and shall be exalted above the hills, and all nations shall flow unto it. Now, this is a very key word, exalted, okay, above the hills. The fact that the Third Temple needs to be exalted, quite frankly, means that God cannot have any competition up there on top of Temple Mount. And so I have been telling you for a long time that, the Dome of the Rock and the Alaska Mosque will have to be demolished to make room for the third temple. Okay. Now, if you go over to Micah, okay, I got a page separator here, and you go to Micah chapter 4, okay, chapter 4, verse 1. It reads pretty much like the one in Isaiah, like the one that I just showed you. But in the last days it shall come to pass that the mountain of the house of the Lord, meaning the third temple, shall be established in the top of the mountain, meaning on top of man, and it shall be exalted above the hills, and people shall flow unto it. So, what the Bible is saying really measures up with what the third temple authorities are saying as to how the third temple is going to be rebuilt. Okay, so the fact that, just to summarize, the fact that the third temple has these paintings, okay, is evidence. And the rabbi here is telling the lady here how the third temple is going to look in the future. This is evidence to suggest that, like I have been telling you for a long time, and even what the Bible says in terms of the prophecies, that the Dome of the Rock is going to have to go, and so the Alaska to make room for the third temple. And it's going to be rebuilt according to Ezekiel chapter 40 to 48. Okay, so I highly encourage you to watch this video here. Okay, and thanks for watching, folks. And if you really like this video, please give it a like so that I can edify the church with my channel. And also, if you could please subscribe to my channel, because it helps me grow my channel to edify the church with my videos and things like that. So I hope that this has been a great help to you guys. And the rapture of the church, of course, is going to happen after the third temple is being rebuilt, because it quite clearly says here that it shall come to pass in the last days. Okay, like it says here. Okay, so last days, whenever the Bible says it's last days or later years, it means the church age. Okay, so thanks for watching, folks, and I'll talk to you guys later.